HOROW T38 Smart-Toilette Instant Warm Water Auto Lid. The comfort you're missing. You sit down at 2 a.m. and the cold porcelain shocks you awake. You reach for rough paper that never really cleans. You flush and wonder if it'll clog again. This is your routine. This is what you've accepted as normal. My neighbor lived this way for years until one weekend visit changed everything for her. Does this sound like your bathroom right now? Every week, you scrub a bowl that stays stained. Every month, you buy toilet paper you shouldn't need. Every night, you wake up fully because there's no soft light to guide you. You're losing time to cleaning, money to supplies, and comfort to a fixture doing bare minimum work. A friend told me she'd been suffering quietly for a decade. Real relief exists when warmth and cleanliness aren't luxuries. This is where the HOROW T38 Artistic Smart Toilet enters and the struggle ends. Don't just buy any smart toilet. Make sure it has instant warm water so you never suffer from that shocking cold spray mid-wash again. The T38 delivers unlimited warm water the second you press the button. No waiting, no temperature drops, no regrets. The auto open-close lid senses you approaching and lifts smoothly, then closes gently when you leave, eliminating every touch. The elongated heated seat reaches your preferred warmth in seconds, wrapping you in comfort even on the coldest mornings. The powerful flush clears everything in one cycle, with a full rim wash that leaves the bowl spotless. The built-in bidet offers posterior and feminine wash modes with adjustable pressure and position. The dryer uses warm air to reduce your toilet paper use to nearly zero. The nightlight glows softly in darkness, guiding you safely without harsh overhead lights. The deodorization system quietly filters odors before they escape. I tested one for 2 months. The instant warm water never faltered. My partner said the heated seat made winter mornings bearable again. One small bonus most people miss: the self-cleaning nozzle rinses itself before and after every use, so hygiene is automatic. This isn't just an upgrade, it's reclaiming your morning calm, cutting cleaning time in half, and finally feeling truly clean after every use. The instant warm water means no more cold shocks that jolt you out of relaxation. A home design publication wrote, "The T38 earns its artistic designation. It genuinely stands apart with its sculptural silhouette and seamless lines, and the instant warm water was consistent with no delays." A verified purchaser shared, "The setup was straightforward. The instant warm water is a game changer. The nightlight is perfect for late-night trips, and the auto lid is smooth and reliable. The whole package feels high quality." A bathroom technology blogger noted, "The nightlight and deodorizer greatly enhance the user experience and deliver a reliable, spa-like feel that satisfies most users' needs." An active forum member stated, "After a year of daily use, the T38 has been trouble-free. The flush has never clogged, the self-cleaning nozzle works as advertised, and the deodorizer is surprisingly effective." Which feature would change your mornings most? Comment 1 for instant warm water, 2 for heated seat, 3 for auto lid. I noticed after 3 weeks that I stopped thinking about bathroom comfort. It just worked, quietly and consistently every single time. While basic toilets demand your attention and effort, the T38 operates in the background, giving you comfort you didn't know you were missing. You already know what it's like to walk into a bathroom that welcomes you with warmth, light, and zero effort. The HOROW T38 Artistic Smart Toilet delivers that every single day with instant warm water that never runs cold and an auto lid that greets you without a touch. Availability is shifting as more people discover what unlimited warm water really feels like. Link in the description. First one right at the top. Don't settle for cold seats and rough paper when comfort this real is one click away.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.